Mastering military commands. Trail arms, march. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of military commands, specifically focusing on the phrase, trail arms, march. Whether you're a student of the English language, an enthusiast of military history, or simply curious about this command, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning and usage of this distinctive military directive together. Military commands are concise instructions delivered by a leader to a group of soldiers. These commands are crucial for maintaining order, discipline, and coordination among troops. Trail arms, march, is one such command, used historically and in modern times for specific movements and formations. The command, trail arms, march, is broken down into two parts. 1. Trail arms. This part of the command instructs soldiers to hold their rifles diagonally, with the muzzle pointed downwards and towards the rear. This position allows for easier and safer movement, especially during long marches or when navigating through challenging terrains. 2. March. This simply means to begin moving in a regulated and uniform manner, following the rhythm and pace set by the commanding officer or a designated marker. Combining these two, trail arms, march, directs a unit to move forward with their weapons in a safe position, ensuring readiness and safety simultaneously. Trail arms, march, has its roots in historical military practices but continues to be relevant in modern military drills and ceremonies. It's not just a command but a part of military tradition, reflecting discipline, readiness, and the heritage of armed forces. Understanding this phrase gives insight into the meticulous nature of military training and the importance placed on uniformity and precision. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, it's crucial to pronounce the command clearly and confidently. Here are some tips. Trail. Emphasize the trail, and ensure the AL is crisp. Arms. Make the AR prominent and the MIS distinct. March. Hit the MAR hard and let the CH be sharp. Practicing these will help in delivering the command effectively, should you need to use it in a reenactment, a play, or a historical narration. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of the military command, trail arms, march. Understanding such phrases enriches our knowledge of the English language and offers a glimpse into the disciplined world of military traditions. Thank you for watching, and we trust this video has been informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and remember, keep learning and exploring.